Hello, Guidepost readers. I am Helen Heath from the Suncoast Seabird Sanctuary, 101 years old.
I'm Doug Snyder, and I'd like you to meet remarkable and fascinating elders who are doing surprisingly interesting and sometimes astonishing things with their lives. These people make up what we at Guideposts call Generation Inspiration.
What we need to do to protect our wildlife, because the wildlife needs all the help it can get, because we are encroaching on their home and spaces to live. So it has made me more aware of what we should be doing. I am Secretary and Treasurer of the Suncoast Seabird Sanctuary. I have a 7-day week work, really, but I will usually work anywhere from 5 to 7 days. We've been in operation beginning now 40 years, so we stay busy and there's never a dull moment. The dedication of our not only employees but the volunteers has been quite an inspiration to all of us, because without them we could never have come this far in saving the wildlife native to our area. The first pelican that we had born in captivity was a very exciting event. We monitored him with closed-circuit television, with every move and every breath he took, named him Pax. When he grew up, he was released. 5 years later, Pax came back to visit the sanctuary, walked back to where his parents still were. The employees noticed he had a hook and fishing line attached to him. They took him into the hospital and found out that he not only had a fishing line superficial in his wing, but he died the next day. So we thought it was amazing that he would come back to where he was born 5 years later and happen to die here. It made me realize that birds are not just stupid little animals, that they are very intelligent and have some means of communication with each other and some sense of sensitivity and affection for each other. As long as you're kind to them and they will begin to trust you, then you can do almost anything with them to help. It has been very gratifying. I haven't had a chance to sit on the beach in my Medicare rocking chair. I've stayed in the office constantly. So I guess I will be here as long as I'm living.